Alright, so I am excited. I'm gonna multitask here a little bit because I picked up the fuel cap cover, and the agate gray key fob cover. So my key's gonna be a little personalization on the car, you know what I mean? Add a little flair, you know? It's funny, it's my birthday and I like get things for the car rather than myself, but it's for me, you know, it's definitely for me. Adds a nice little zest to it, you know what I mean? So right now we're gonna go to a few little car events. There's one in Marin and there's one in San Carlos and whatever. A lot of San Jose's, you know what I mean? Just kind of keep up, you know? But we'll head out that way now. And then in this video, I'm gonna put the installation of the cap and of the key fob. It's dark in here, but I got the Pocket 3, so the light's not that bad. Man, screw GoPro, man. These Pocket 3s are real nice. I'm still trying to figure it out because when I try to like show something on the camera, it like kind of creeps out and goes all over the place, and you'll see that in this video because I've already made that video. So this is like a collage of bits and pieces that I've made all over the day, you know what I mean? I love days like this. I love time spent in my car and the little trinkets and stuff that I get for it, so it's nice. But yeah, man, ooh, nice little tie can, a little hatch tie can. I don't know what those are, but those are pretty dope. But the value in them really have gone down quite a bit. Those guys right there, but they're dope looking. They have a nice stance out in the street. That's a small guy. What am I doing with this? Weak sauce. Okay, just a quick mug. Give me some instructions. Show me some instructions somewhere. That's the other one. It's just a Porsche gas cap. Nope. I'll put my old one in here probably. Yeah, so I'll do that. Let's start with the fuel cap tank decal. I like to set it off to the side when it's already open, so when I remove it, that's just easy access and pop it into play. So you're gonna come over to the fuel tank door, come to the hinge, and you're gonna see the attachment point. Just kind of pull down at the base of like the letter D, I guess you'd say, and then lift off, and then it just slips right off the hook point. It's super easy. You don't need any tools whatsoever. Take the old cap off, put that to the side, and then you'll grab the new one and just lock it into place first before you anchor down, because if you anchor down, it just becomes a little harder to work with. So you'll anchor it down first, so you'll just kind of twist it into place, and then bring the rubber attachment point down, and then hook it back over to the, I found it easy to hook it over the top of the D point of the anchor point, and you just kind of put it at that triangular point, pull down, and it just slides back into place. Super easy, super easy install. And I picked up the color matching key fob. Super easy to put on too. Circulate here. There we go. I'm still trying to figure out this camera. I apologize, guys, but yeah, there it is. But I thought it was dope, man. It's a nice little, add a little, I don't know, maybe a little personality to your car or whatever. But I like it, man. Pop a detail to it. So I don't know if you enjoy it, like it, whatever, get it. If not, I wouldn't waste your time. But super easy install. Takes like a second. I'll just show that real quick.
Fancy. Put the key back. Just make sure it's all cleaned up. I've never taken this out, to be honest, so it still has like maybe oils from the factory, it seems like, because it's still a little shiny, so it probably keeps it preserved so it doesn't rust. But I'll put that guy back in. That's sick, man. Throw some, put a little weight on that.
If you want to add a little spice to your tank, and it's funny because Porsche does call it a tank decal. It's pretty much just aesthetics. It's just for looks. The black one's fine. It pretty much like it doesn't make a difference to me, but I thought it looked a little cool. But I don't know. If you want it, get it. If you don't want to get it, don't spend your time. I feel like maybe I should weigh them. Maybe that's a little crazy, but they feel like they're the same weight. Maybe the aluminum one is a little heavier. I do like the looks of it when you open up the tank and it's right there. It's better than the simple black one, but it's really preference. It really doesn't matter. To me, I got it. I had actually a sale from a part of Porsche's. It's not a membership, but if you fill out surveys and stuff about like your experience with the car, what you do different, blah blah blah, they give you like discounts on like their Porsche products. So during the I want to say it was the holiday week or it was some kind of holiday, they were giving out 20% off. So I picked up this and I picked up the color matching key fob.